Hi there and welcome to the final installment of my article writings ideas video series. There's 4 and we are going for the 4th one right now. Number 76 to 100. Enjoy it, remember, use them in succession. Any ones that you think might work in your strategy, try all of them out and see which ones stick, and then keep rehashing them for the most effectiveness. Thank you for watching this series, and let's go start with number 76. You may show experiments in your articles. The article advertisement could expose the retail amount of your bonuses. You might put your articles in sales letters. Explain processes in your articles. The article author information could promote an affiliate contest. You can paste your articles on brochures. Provide blueprints in your articles. The article conclusion can link to your product giveaways. You could send your articles to corporations. You could offer downloads in your articles. The article signature file could advertise an inventory clearance sale. You could sell your articles to auction bidders. You could explain rules in your articles. The article closing could advertise multiple product pass offers. You could even purpose them for rebranding. You could post comics in your articles. The article byline may have an early bird offer. You could even promote your articles on content sharing sites. You could present fiction in your articles. The article resource box can include a pre-order offer. You could advertise your articles to college students. You could provide highlights in your articles. The article ad might contain a pay no sales tax offer. You may present your articles as writing templates. You could provide templates in your articles. The article ending could furnish a percentage off discount sale. Your articles could even become scripts for radio shows. Provide summaries in your articles. The article signature block may include a 9 only left sale. You can record your articles for TV shows. Present business systems in your articles. The article advertisement could share a 7-day trial offer. You could repurpose your articles for speaking engagements. You could provide suggestions in your articles. The article author information might reveal a deferred billing sale. You may repurpose your articles for press releases. You could make comparisons in your articles. The article conclusion could publish a pre-release offer. You might sell your articles with giveaway rights. You could use articles for training. The article signature file may expose a free trial offer. Then add your articles to a bundled product sale. You may present hidden tricks in your articles. The article closing can exhibit a barter, trade, or swap offer. You could market your articles along with time sales. Present contrasts in your articles. The article byline might establish an extended warranty deal. You could include your articles on your About Me pages. Provide tactics in your articles. The article resource box could enclose a rebate deal. You might promote your articles along with fire sales. Give tips in your articles. The article ad may mention donating a percentage of your profits to charity. You can construct your articles for samples. You might present your case studies in your articles. The article ending can display an uncut, uncensored product version. Submit your articles to social media sites. Show techniques in your articles. The article signature block could dispense an easy payment plan. You may use your articles on your different profiles. Give tutorials in your articles. The article advertisement could promote your e-course. You might send your articles to online radio shows. You could publish posts in your articles. The article closing could link to your forum. You could syndicate your articles to news stations. Make use of pictures in your articles. The article conclusion can list your holiday sale. You could distribute your articles to media outlets. Provide breaking news in your articles. The article signature file might advertise your social networking page. You may author your articles for members. Add graphics in your articles. The article author information may market your viral ebook. You can publish your articles for contextual ads. there you go, 100 article writing ideas. I thought it was very valuable. That's why I presented it to my readers and followers. Enjoy, go and use them, and make a success of your online business. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next course.